and welcome to MiniMakers Tutorials. My name is Anaya Judy and today I'll be showing you how to make a remote controlled car.
So first you're going to take out all of the items in the Ziploc bag and place them out as shown. Next you'll take the smaller baggie and open up the pieces. Right now we'll need all of the wood pieces out of this bag. You would like to grab out the 2 rectangle pieces with holes on both sides and the 2 smaller parallelogram pieces. With this, you'll like to glue them just like that. Now you'll take the larger rectangle piece and then we'll glue that on to make the structure of our car. You'll also like to grab the smaller one and that will act as our spoiler. Glue them just like that. Next you'll take the axles and put them with the wheels in this fashion, making sure that the orange pieces are as shown. Now we'll tie the motor with the zap strap to the rectangular piece with the 2 smaller squares on the side. This will help us to have the motor on top of the 2 other pieces. So you want to secure that and make sure that the white teeth on the gear that's on the axle and also the ones on the motor are aligned. This will ensure that your car spins. Next, we'll take this piece right here that has 4 wires coming out of it. One will be red, other black, yellow, and then one green. Next, you'll take one of your longer remote control wires and make the hole just a bit smaller so this makes it easier for it to be screwed on. Now, we'll use a screw and a nut to get that all together, the 4 pieces. You want to make sure that the screw is on top and then the nut is on the bottom and secure that. You can also use a screwdriver to help with this step. Next, you can take a piece of double-sided tape and stick that to the back. Next, we'll also attach the battery pack with a piece of double-sided tape. Now it is time to attach the solar panel. Now it is time for the wiring. So first, you are going to take the red wire from the motor and connect it to the yellow one from the other panel. Now we're going to take the black wire from the motor and attach it to the green wire. Next, you'll want to connect all of the red wires together, as well with all of the black wires. So reds go with reds and blacks go with the blacks. You want to make sure that all three of them are together. Now we'll start building the remote. So you want to grab the piece of wood that's left over, and you'll also want to take that longer silver piece and connect it to the other panel, just like this. You want to make sure to loop it through the silver hole that's connected to the black wire, and make sure that the nut on the back is tight. And with this again, just like the one that we used on the car, you can use the screwdriver to make this a bit easier for you. Next, we're going to add double-sided tape on both sides of the piece of wood to connect the battery pack and the other part. Once you got that together, you want to connect the red wires together and the black ones together. Now you want to add batteries to both of your parts. And there is your finished product, the remote control car.